accent? Yeah, little bit you are facing problem to understand my accent, right? Right. Yep. And do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with co-learner? Okay, you want to enhance your English speaking, you want to speak fluently, right? Yeah. And do you talk with anyone in English at your home, your friends? Do you talk with, do you talk with your family members in English? Do you talk with your friend? Wow, then how much time do you invest with language per day? Okay, apart from this platform, do you use different platform to enhance your English speaking? Yes, I got your point. You practice with your friend. You want to enhance your English speaking. I got it. But I asked you, apart from this platform, do you use different platform to practice spoken English? Okay. And okay. Then you tell how many languages do you know? Yeah, how many languages do, what's your native language? Okay, apart from Kurtis, which could you repeat once again? Okay, your native language is Kurdish, right? Kursis, or what? I can't pronounce. Okay, then you know English and your native language, right? Okay, so nice. And you tell me how long have you been using this platform? Could you repeat? You want to? Okay, I teach you. What? What's your question? I could not understand. No, no, I never asked you how do you learn language. I can't. I didn't ask you. I asked you. Means how many languages do you know, and how did you practice spoken English? Okay, okay. Oh, you know. Haha. Continue. Okay. Then do you study in English medium? Okay. Okay. Then you can speak fluently and you never make mistake while interact with me, and you are a good speaker. You are a fluent speaker. Your mode of speaking is excellent, outstanding, remarkable. Yep. Okay, I got your point. You don't accept my remark, right? I told you you are a fluent speaker. You can speak outstanding. Your mode of speaking is remarkable. But you are good speaker. You are a great listener. You can speak fluently. Anyone can understand. You never make mistake any while interacting with me. Yeah, you're welcome. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay, I got your point. Your family members tell you you practice English and you speak better English, and if you interact with foreigner, they can understand what you wanna tell them, right? Do you want to go to abroad or do you want to stay in your country? Do you want to go to abroad? Hello? Have you talked with any foreigner in this platform? Have you talked with any foreigner? I think you cannot understand what I told you, right? You are facing my accent, Indian accent. If you regularly talk with me or if you regularly interact with Indian, then you can understand Indian accent, right? But I can understand your accent. Could you repeat? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I practice with language learner if I get time, and I want to be good communicator in English language. I take four pillars: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. You know very well. Language always takes four skill: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. I do regularly and I practice with myself. And if I get free time, I watch YouTube video. I'm a self learner and I do it in this kind of activity regularly. And I know myself, no one can help us. We have to help ourselves. That is only one technique because sometimes we never get always language partner to talk with them. That's why we practice in this type of platform. Got it? Hello? Okay. Okay. What did you read? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Tell me. What's your question? Mm-hmm. About group, which group do you want to know about group? Which group? Okay, what did you see? Okay, group is a good because we get a different mindset learner. Everyone has a different minds, right? Some learner are slow learner, some are advanced learner, some are quick learner, and we have to learn these kind of learner, and we practice with them. That's why I am involved in this kind of platform. Maximum people, sometime all are busy in their life. That's why